Hello. In today's video, I want to go through the most asked question that I get, which is how do I get so much done in a day? So this is how I do it. I have a morning routine and an afternoon routine. And in these routines, that is everything that I have to get done every day. So it will be things like having breakfast, having a coffee, walk on the treadmill, wipe down the bathrooms, like all those little jobs that I have to do every day. Then in the evenings, the same thing. So it's just like a continuation of what I have to get done. So I just pick what works best for me in the morning and what works best for me in the afternoon or evening. But in the middle of the day, when I've got that chunk of time where I can concentrate on getting work done, this is where going with the flow is sort of really important. And it's important to follow how you're feeling for that day to get things done. So the way that I do it is at the beginning of the week, I'll write a list on everything that I know at that point that I have to get done for the week. Then I'll look at how I can batch those tasks together, and I'll sort of revisit my list and sort of remap it out based on how I could do those tasks the most efficient way by batching them together. And then I will leave that list. And each morning when I am doing my morning routine, part of my morning routine is to plan my day. And then I'll have that list with me and I'll pick off that list things that I know I need to get done and that I feel like I could accomplish that day. So if there's something on my list that I don't feel like doing that day, I tend to push that off because I try to go with how I'm feeling, because I find that if I do that, I get more done. If I've got a day full of tasks that I don't want to do, I tend to drag my feet and I don't get as much done as I would like to. So that's basically how my day goes. And I do this every day. I have my morning routine. I have everything that I need to do during the day, and then I have my evening routine. So that's how I stay productive. I still do all my productivity tips that I've given you before in my other video, but I plan my day in this particular way because it works best for me. And I found that following a set routine on set times for this and set times for that just didn't work for me. I can do like set a timer and get tasks done in that time. That's no problem. But I don't say, all right, between 8 and 9, I'm doing this, and between 9 and 10, I'm doing this, because it just doesn't work for me. So I hope that this might help some of you. Maybe you organize things the same way as I do and you just weren't sure how to actually make the most of it. And if that's you, then I hope that this has helped you. And if you've got any questions, sing out. I'm always happy to chat.